Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic fuel filter. First, gather all your tools, including a new filter, wrenches, and a drain pan. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and completely cool before you begin. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. Before disconnecting any fuel lines, it's crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure. Find your fuel pump fuse or relay, usually in the underhood fuse box, and remove it. Then, start your engine and let it run until it completely stalls out. This ensures all residual fuel pressure is safely released, preventing fuel spray when you open the lines. Now, locate your fuel filter. Depending on your Civic model, it might be under the hood, near the firewall, or closer to the fuel tank. Place a drain pan underneath to catch any fuel. Use 2 wrenches to carefully loosen the fuel line connections on both sides of the filter. Once loose, gently remove the old filter, being mindful of residual fuel. With the old filter out, install your new one, ensuring the flow arrow points in the correct direction towards the engine. Reconnect the fuel lines tightly and then reattach your car battery's negative terminal. Before starting, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this 3 or 4 times to prime the fuel system. Finally, check thoroughly for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.